Hello, I'm Dave Ritzko from Transtar Industries. I'm their technical parts specialist. And today I want to talk about the RF series of transmissions brought to you by Chrysler. Boy, if that ain't the gift that keeps on giving. We have a 45 RFE, a 545 RFE, a 65 RFE, a 66 RFE, and a 68 RFE. And they all have one thing in common, even though they are different units. You built one, you could build them all. But one thing they have in common is the low reverse housing. And with the low reverse housing, they got away from a snap ring, a typical snap ring to hold the Belleville plate in. And they did something like you would see with German transmissions. And they put clips in there, as I call them, or retainers. Now, I've had issues with them where I've put them in a parts basket and blew it out in the parts washer. Now you have to clean the washer to retrieve it. If you have a piston that sticks up and it clamps the bevel plate against this, you're going to play heck getting it out, and it's a bear. And then there are days you just have bad days, and they come out looking all bent up like that. And again, you're not going to straighten it out. There's also high pressure that will make these distort. So now when you go to put it in, it's not quite right. Well, when you had that problem before, you were either tearing down cores, trying to find a good one. You were going to a hard part supplier. Hopefully they had some, which normally when they sell the drum, they go at the drum if they didn't ruin them. Or you were buying one of several Chrysler OEM kits. They were in friction kits, overhaul kits, different type of rebuild kits, just to get the clips. Now, that being said, if Chrysler's putting all these in almost every kit they make for this series of transmissions, there might be a little bit more in distortion of this, might be a little bit more. Well, I'm here to tell you finally, the brand new clip is available. It would be Transtar's part number D72987. You can buy one, you can buy 10, you can buy as many as you want. This is probably not a bad idea if you're in Chrysler country or truck country where you're seeing a lot of these units, to stock a few of these on the shelf. That way, on a Friday evening, Saturday morning when you're working and you find out that maybe your teardown guy distorted it like that when I was having a bad day taking this one out, or you simply lost it, or you got a drum that you already robbed you need. So again, Transtar part number D72987. No more buying expensive kits just to get a clip or two. And you can check this out on transcend.us. You can visit our webpage at transtar1.com, or as always, you can always contact your sales rep. Thank you for watching.